Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our 2024 An Inspector Calls prediction video. Now, before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video, and I would like to thank you all for your continuous support as we have been receiving amazing feedback from you all. So once again, thank you so much for your support. If you are interested in joining our amazing online tuition classes, you can contact us via email, which is easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. The email is in the bio, and this is where you would receive the support and guidance from our expert and professional teachers, and you'll receive constructive feedback, and you'd be well prepared for your upcoming GCSE exam. So if you want to achieve amazing grades, do contact us today to secure your spaces, as our spaces are extremely limited. Now, the reason you clicked on this video is simply because of the predictions and what we predict to come up in 2024. Now, just to reiterate and highlight, our An Inspector Calls prediction from last year, 2023, was 100% correct. So we got the prediction right last year. So now you can rely on us on giving accurate predictions for this year. Now, as mentioned, just to remind you, it is a prediction, so it doesn't mean it's guaranteed to come up. There is a high possibility. So that still means that you still have to prepare and go over the key themes, the key characters, the key quotes, etc., and not to solely rely on these questions. So before I do, let me show you some proof of how we got the questions right from last year. So as you can see from our last year's video, from the comments, as you can see, we have pinned it. We did get the an inspector calls question right. Sorry, I just got confused there. But yes, as you can see, this is proof that we got the question correct. So you can rely on us providing you all with accurate predictions. And many of these videos were released, couple weeks and even couple months prior to the exam. And not only that, if you have a look at our channel, you'll see that the GCSE English language prediction video for 2024 we had already uploaded in January 2024. So that is, a very long time prior to the exams to help you all prepare for your exams. So let's dive in and let's have a look at the predictions for 2024. So our first prediction question for An Inspector Calls is the following. How does Priestley present Mrs. Burling as a selfish character? So we know Mrs. Burling plays a key role within the extract. So your task is essentially to prepare Mrs. Burling, an essay on Mrs. Burling, and find quotes to show how she's a selfish character. And also, go through past paper questions in preparation for this. Our second prediction question is, how does Priestley present Eva Smith as a character who represents the struggles of the working class? So again, Eva Smith, another significant character that you want to look at, and it's a potential question that could arise in your exams. So do prepare for this to the best of your ability, as it could come up. And our last and final prediction for An Inspector Calls for 2024 is, how does Priestley present the inspector as a powerful character / force for good? So you know that the inspector plays a pivotal role, and you need to find the key quotes and find relevant exam paper questions to be well prepared for this. I can't stress this enough. As you can see, we do provide accurate predictions. So again, it's a good idea to actually practice these three specific questions. Even if they don't appear in your exams, it's a great way for you to revise for your upcoming GCSE English exams. Now, one top tip I will give you. You all need to work on your time management, okay? So what I've done with my students in our online classes is that we've gone through model answers, we've gone through exam papers under time conditions, and you need to work on your time management because a lot of students do struggle with that. So my advice, top tip, is to work under time conditions and look at the mark scheme, familiarize yourself with the assessment objectives, and try to get feedback from your teacher. And that is it for the video. So thank you all for your support. I hope your revision goes well. I hope your exams go really well. Please do give this video a like and do leave a comment as well. It does really help our channel. Once again, thank you all for watching, and that is it for today. Thank you.